In this video, I want to show you how to integrate your ListWire account with a ViralPLR product. The first step is to go to step 1, click here to set global settings. When you see this pop up appear, you want to select ListWire.com from the options. And then for your ListWire.com autoresponder name for ViralPLR signups, we can then insert the fields, for the necessary fields here. So when you insert your autoresponder name from your ListWire account, you'll then build a list of ViralPLR signups. So those who sign up under you, when they sign up for ViralPLR, you'll also build your list inside your ListWire account. So let's first create a campaign and then fill in these fields as necessary. Here I am in ListWire. The first thing I want to do is create a new campaign. The way to do that is to go to Manage Autoresponders. And let's now add a new autoresponder by clicking click here to add a new autoresponder list. So we want to create two lists. The first autoresponder will be for our ViralPLR signups. So let's call this something like ViralPLR signups, something meaningful. And for the autoresponder description, we simply put in again, something that's meaningful, that describes it, and we can just simply click here to create your new autoresponder. And when we go to home and under list name, you can now see the new autoresponder here. Now we need to switch to the new autoresponder list by clicking on it, and it should switch it. And you'll be taken to this page. If you scroll down, you can fill in more details, as you can see here. Make sure you fill in all the details, such as your postal address. Okay, so I filled in my postal address. Once that's done, click on Update the Autoresponder options. Now that's saved. We can now grab the autoresponder form by going to Prospects and then Subscription Form. We need to first create a new form by clicking here. And now we need to give the form a name. I'm simply putting ViralPLR right there, and we can leave everything else as is. Next, click on Next Page, and the default fields are already in there, so I can then just click Save Form. Now you get this error here, bad redirect URL, so we need to fill in something here. So you can simply put your affiliate link if you like. I'm just going to put ViralPLR.com, click Next, and now save my form. And now it says form successfully added. The next step is to go to Get Code. So referring back to the page, you'll find here your ListWire.com autoresponder name for ViralPLR signups. So we want the autoresponder name. So the autoresponder name is basically under here, Managing Autoresponder Lists. This is the autoresponder name. And we're going to take that in, put it here. And next is your ListWire.com web form ID for ViralPLR signups. You can get it by going to Get Code. We're basically going to take this number here. Mine is 46741. Yours will be different. You can also get it from here. Bot web form ID value equals the number there. So I'm going to insert that into the field in ViralPLR. And once that's inserted, all you need to do is click on Save Global Settings. Now that's done, we can then go to a particular product we'd like to build a list for and go to Change Settings. So I'd like to build a list for this product here. Click on Change Settings. Next you'll see your ListWire.com autoresponder name. So it's a good idea to create a separate autoresponder for any product that you want to build a list for. This way you can segment it and email particular lists. So what I'm going to do is repeat the steps similar to the autoresponder I just created here. So going back to home, I can click on Manage Autoresponders, and let's click here to add a new autoresponder list. And I'm going to call this what the product name is. So this one is I Can Do It. and then give it a description. And then click on the button. Now you might get this error, an autoresponder with the name already exists. So what you can do is put a number. And now that's done. So now let's switch to the autoresponder that we just created. And now it says the problem, a valid postal address is required. Again, you want to put your postal address. Once that's done, click on update the autoresponder. And now we can complete the next step. We need the autoresponder name. So the autoresponder name that I chose was... And next I need the web form ID for this particular autoresponder. So we go into prospects, subscription form, and then create a new web form. In here we can just call it. So for the form redirection URL, we just put in any URL we'd like, doesn't make a difference, and click on next page. And on this page, just click save my form. We then go to get code, and then look at the numbers here again. We then use this number here. Yours will be different again. I'm just going to copy it and then paste it into this field here. Once that's done, we can then go to Save Settings. So now you've successfully integrated your ListWire autoresponder with a ViralPLR product.